You're watching iShow Made Simple, where we make technology, AI, and online tools easy to understand. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and let's get started to it. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to edit movie recaps without getting flagged on YouTube. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to your gallery and go and choose the video you're going to be using for the recap. So I'm going to be using these two videos for the movie recap. Then I'm going to share it to CapCut for the editing. So I'll be using CapCut for my editing. So now that we have the movie recaps on CapCut for editing, now I'm going to be streaming. The first thing I'm going to be doing is to be streaming the most important parts out of the movie. I won't just edit everything all together, but taking out the most important part that I want to use in the movie for it. So follow along as I do that by streaming out the most important parts.
I know you like me, Bear.
No.
So I'm going to trim this part now. Okay, so for this part, I already trimmed out the most important part of the video that I needed. So I'm going to go to the other one now, then check this one out as well. Alright, just make sure that you are streaming out the part that is going to grab the attention of the words of your audience. So I'm going to stream this part, right? I'm going to stream this part as well. Okay, let me just say I've streamed out the most important parts of the video that I needed for the movie recap. Okay, this is the two parts of the video that I'll be using for the movie recap, which I already streamed out the most important parts, which I told you. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to be removing the sound of the video for both parts. Now, after removing the sound from the video, the next thing is to increase the speed of the video so that it will not make it look like the original video, because YouTube always check all these things so that it will not make it look like the original how the video was produced. So I'm going to increase the speed. So I'm going to click on speed, then increase it to 1.3. then let's play it. You can see that it's a little bit faster than the other. Let me play this. Now you can see that it's faster than this. So I'm going to do this as well by increasing it as well. So now that I'm done doing this, as you all know, I'm going to need a movie recap test for it. That is what it's talking about the movie, which is also very important for viewers to see. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT now to give me a movie recap on the movie. And the title of the movie is Obsession. So I'm going to type write me a movie recap on Obsession. Let me just say 10 words. Okay, I think that is too short. Make it 50 words. Now you can see obsession follows a woman whose insects fixation gradually turns into a dangerous psychological nightmare. So this is the movie recap right up I'll be using for the Obsession movie, right? So I'm going to copy it, then go back to CapCut. So what I'm going to do next is to tap on the text, then I'm going to tap on text to audio, then I'm going to tap on this, then put in my movie recap text for the movie Obsession, then I'm going to tap on done. So after that, we have a lot of voice over here So you can choose the one you wish. So I'm using this for my voiceover.
Obsession follows A.
So after choosing the one you want to use for your voiceover, you are going to increase the speed of the voiceover by just 1 or 2. So I'm going to increase this to 1. Then I'm going to tap on next. Then I'm going to split automatically. So it's going to generate the caption and the speech into the video. So you see what I just did now. Now you can see that it has done it already. So since it's just a tutorial, you know that I'm just doing this for you to see how you can edit your movie recap without even getting flagged by YouTube. So you know that you're going to add more videos to it. So I'm just going to delete this so that it won't just stay, just to rhyme with it. I'm just going to delete that just for you to show. Now that our test is okay, so I'm going to tap on it, then add style. So you can add whatever style you wish to add, but I add a favorite style I do use. So I'm going to use this for the style.
Obsession follows.
So this is the style I will be using for it. Then I'm going to play it now for you guys to see what I just did.
Obsession follows a woman whose intense fixation gradually turns into a dangerous psychological nightmare. As her desire grows stronger, she becomes trapped in manipulation, secrecy, and emotional turmoil. What begins as attraction slowly develops into something far more disturbing. Obsession follows.
Now you can see that there's differences between when I bring it to CapCut and when I just finish editing it. So after you are done editing it, then you're going to export your video. And that is it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to iShow Made Simple for more simple tech tutorials. See you in the next one.